What's good, YouTube? By the title of this video, you already know we got some DRLs for our Rocketbunny kit, the front bumper, the Rocketbunny front bumper. I'm gonna quickly show you what comes in the box. I ordered it straight off of GReddy, so I don't know if you could see that. I kind of showed it earlier. Right off the bat, we got some instructions. Hopefully don't read that. We have our power brick, some wires, connectors, a box inside a box. So I thought this is pretty cool. It comes with an actual tool for you to make proper sized holes in your bumper. So it comes with that, and then all our lights plugs into that. Seems fairly easy. For the most part, came with everything that we need. I'm gonna start off by drilling holes into the front bumper, and then we'll start digging into the wiring. Alright, so I used that little tool and it made the holes pretty clean on both sides. It was just a little tedious because of the fiberglass getting stuck into the tool. I cut myself a couple times, but holes came out clean, lights fit good. Got my boy Kyle, shout out to Kyle, he's helping me out with the wiring and stuff, trying to tap into the turn signals. So yeah, we're just gonna mess around with the wiring. I might throw in a time lapse or something and then explain it later. But yeah, progress looking good so far. So we got some power. As you can see, the lights are running. They're tapped into the daytime running right now. We haven't tapped into the turn signal yet. But so in the kit, for the power lines, there's a yellow wire, and to get constant power when you have the daytime runnings on, you need to tap the yellow wire with the power wire, the red wire, right? Okay, yeah. So my camera's all up here and shit. We had an issue because the yellow wire was just hanging the whole time, but we tapped it into the power wire, which is the red wire, and the lights are on and they're not turning off. So yeah, instead of hooking it up to the battery, I had previous DRLs. The shop that hooked up my previous DRLs tapped into the harness for the headlight for the power source. So we're just re-tapping into that. We didn't really tap into the battery. But yeah, so we got some power finally. And yeah, progress looking good with the wiring. So we just made a breakthrough how to find the wires for the turn signal and stuff. So we actually, it's a lot easier if you take your headlight out. So I'd recommend doing that. Took my headlight out. For the headlight, so the turn signal bulb is up here with all the wiring. There's a black wire, green wire, and blue wire, we discovered that the green wire is the one you want to tap into. And the wire that comes with the kit that you want to make sure taps into it is the green wire also, so it's pretty easy. At least for the driver's side. I think passenger side, the wire is gonna be brown, and I believe you just still also want to tap into the green wire for the turn signal wiring harness. Yeah, we're just gonna tap into that. We tested it out, made sure everything works, and it does. It blinks amber, so that's pretty cool. We're just gonna go ahead and do all that. Shout out Kyle again, that's the homie. Cuts the wire in half. Test for the boys. Yes, sir. All right, so we just finished up tapping into the passenger side turn signal wires. We have the lights, the DRLs, Rocketbunny DRLs right here. So I'm about to just test it out, turn on the hazards, and show you guys what they're gonna look like. So that's them right there. That's just what they're gonna look like while they're on daytime running. And that's them with the hazards on. So it'll work when they're, turn signals as well. This is the driver's side set of lights, and that's the passenger side set of lights. So pretty lit, honestly. Glad it worked out. Shit. Now we just have to seat them into the front bumper over there, and then that's pretty much it. So we just finished putting the lights in. They look clean, like just the little bulb itself showing. Go ahead, turn it on. So this is them. This is what they look like with the daytime running lights on. Pretty clean look, not gonna lie. And we tapped into the turn signals, so go ahead and hit the four-way. That's what the four-way looks like. Honestly, these things look so clean. Can't even lie. I don't regret this. Boom. The switchback, so good. Highly recommend getting these. Get the GReddy ones because just all around the fitment of the light, the installation was fairly easy. I mean, shit, a couple hours really. I think they look good. Yup. So we're about to test out the turn signals. Oh, that's pretty dope. Not gonna lie. Go ahead, cut it. Oh, that's clean. Yep. That's honestly so cool. I don't know why. Woo. Oh, that even looks meaner. With everything on? Oh. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The reason why I kind of wanted to make this was because I was a little unsure on how to do this, and there was pretty much no like 350Z tutorials. I didn't want this to necessarily be a tutorial, but I wanted it to be like a basis to give somebody enough information to be able to do this. So yeah, I hope it really helped. I would highly recommend getting the GReddy actual like Rocketbunny DRLs from GReddy. It actually wasn't that expensive. I mean, $290 for, you know, some really good quality. Fitment was like couldn't be any better. Fitment, installation wise, couldn't be any better. We actually, like I showed in the video, didn't route it to the battery. We actually tapped into the power wire in the driver's side headlight and just got power from that source. Once again, shout out to my boy Kyle. Really helped me out a lot. I don't know too much about wiring and stuff like that department, but I know he does, even with sounds, with air suspension. So thank you, Kyle. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Once again, I'm trying to shoot for 700 this year, so stay tuned. Got plenty of other car parts for the Z on the way. And yeah, thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.